go.
First time at Buc-ee's. First time walking into Buc-ee's. How does it feel to be in Buc-ee's? Hi. I just went to Buc-ee's for the first time. I got a Buc-ee's pin and then I got a little Christmas ornament. How cute. I have a lot. Beanie. She's cute.
Love, love, love.
Hats. Hat. Gorgeous. We love it. She's convinced that she has to get a souvenir from every Buc-ee's that she ever steps foot in.
Yes.
So now she has a hoodie and 2 hats. Now I'm gonna go we're gonna get gas and then we'll be back on the road. Y'all, it is mad brick. Let me lock up the vehicle and then we'll be on our way.
That happened to me before. And
Hi. Hello. I was reading my book, but I can't keep my eyes open any longer.
Yeah, it's a long day. Very, very long day.
And now we have a 5-hour flight ahead of us.
Yeah.
We were just talking about how Starstruck, the Disney Channel movie, I need that exact experience. Wow, we're in LA. What did we just do?
What did we just do?
Yeah.
We touched down.
You know it. We just hopped off the plane
At LAX.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. I want to know how that happens.
Took the wrong car.
We didn't take the wrong car. They gave us the wrong car.
Yeah. It's still gonna be a Tesla, just not this one.
Which is fine, but how does that even happen? Take 2. It is the right car. They just didn't release the previous reservation, I guess. So we're back in the same car.
It takes me off this freaking thing again.
What a great start to the trip, or to the LA leg of the trip. I don't remember the words, but
You look lonely. I can fix that.
okay, we go out. I don't know what that sauce is. It really satisfies my hunger right now. Wow. She's delicious.
Yeah. This is so thick.
Like it can't come through the straw.
It's good, but
I can't believe it. In-N-Out is real. It's the real deal.
right now, the flavor of this one is better to others.
Whenever people say that it's a fresh burger, I can't usually tell.
Yeah.
This one feels like this is what fresh means. Not sponsored. I will say, all it's missing are pickles. Oh my god. Just come here and get a $4 burger.
Yep.
Wow.